wanasiasa, siasa zenu zimelete fujo sana nchini, bakora kwenu mwa.
Fred Ombachi Machoka mugambo wake waigwikire ria mbere radio-ini miaka-ini ya 70 miaka ikuhinga 50 mihituku na nginyagia umuthi uyu Machoka athiete na mbere na gucanjamura kihiri kia a Kenya kuria ceceni-ini cia Royal Media Services arehaga ibindi stiganite ari ni hamwe na kibindi kia Roga Roga kiria giukaga ceceni-ini ya Citizen TV. Fred Machoka agikuurikana ta njamba ya umemerekia gitugi kia mwanya gia kwige kuona kio ni njiarwa na nikio kanjo ya umemerekia bururi-ini MCK yaniriire mubango wa gutamburaga njamba ta ici cia umemerekia.
We will launch a framework to celebrate legends and veterans in the media. That means that it's not just about their welfare but also tap their brain. We move from brain drain to brain gain.
Murugamiriri munene wa MCK David Omuoyo augite ati njamba ta ici cia umemerekia na ingi iria ciahurukire wira ona ciathie ritaya ugi wao ndubatie guthie ritaya indi ubatie guthomwo naguo ni aria mari umemerekia-ini matuko-ini maya.
They have an entire depository of knowledge, and we have no mechanism of tapping that depository of knowledge to help the new and upcoming journalists.
We need to keep tapping onto these skills and the knowledge that we still have through the veterans like you.
Miario ino igikindirwo ni mumemerekia wa miaka ya hau kabere Njiru uria ugite amemerekia o ta njamba ingi cia bururi ni mabatie kuheo mahua mao riu kuona wira wao ni wa kwirutira kunene ona kwihotha makimatha na kuhangira mohoro ona kana kumemerekeria muingi.
Doing the same job for 50 years continuously, it is not a joke. It needs celebration.
Sometimes media people tell stories about other people, but they easily fade away. So that recognition serves a big purpose.
The people who built this industry gave their voices, their health, their family time, and their best years to the service of the public.
Maya magioka riri Fred Machoka ahaririirie ndumo nene ya gukungwira miaka 50 umemerekia-ini kuria nyimbo muthemba wa rumba igathamaka igongona-ini riri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV Gitu wa Ngari Maria wa Muigana.